Hey guys, and welcome to the Zuitte Analytics Tool. This tool is packed with features to help you better understand your business and customers, and to research other businesses and their customers. First of all, let's look at visitor analysis. This tool will show us information about our own site. First, type in your own URL here. Then, copy the line of code and place it within your website code. It will be used to track visitors to your site. We've used Amazon.com as an example here, so we don't have their data. But if you click here, you can see where all of your data will come up when the code is installed correctly. As you can see, this is a very powerful tool for understanding who your customers are, where they are coming from, and other valuable data that will help you to better sell to your customers and potential customers. If we go over to website analysis, we can see data for any other website on the planet. To research a site, just click on this button here. Then enter the website URL here. As we are using Amazon as an example, we already have it lined up. So let's go back and check out the data. Here we can see data on everything about the site. When it was first registered, when the domain is set to expire, basic website information, information regarding the IP address of their site servers, even the actual physical location of the main server. We can see the site security, if it's safe, as well as related websites and other popular sites that use the same IP address, which can be useful when looking for other stores that use Shopify, for example. But that's not all. We have pages and pages of data on any website you search, all based on Alexa and similar web data, social media information, keyword and metadata information, as well as overall Alexa and similar website traffic information and much more. If we go down the menu, we can select to just see certain types of information rather than an overall big picture of data as we've just seen, which can save time and make things easier when we know exactly what we're looking for. Now, if we keep going down the menu, we can see a whole lot of other tools too. For example, the page status check is a tool that will let you know the live status and connection speed of a particular site. There are a multitude of keyword tools in here that can assist in your SEO and marketing efforts as well. These keyword tools can pull data from multiple sources, depending on what information you're looking for. If you're an Amazon seller, you can search just Amazon for related keywords just found on Amazon. You can download these keywords and use them wherever you wish. We can track keywords as well and see how they are performing over time. We can create backlinks and search for backlinks. We can look at the virus and security details of a site, use the Zuitte AdWords scraper, and much more, including an email encoder, meta tag generator, plagiarism checker, valid and duplicate email checker, and more. All extremely useful tools in managing your business, researching competitors, and finding new business opportunities.